Hey guys! Good morning! Today is October 3, 2024 at 1:29 in the morning. This is water purifier water filter installation part 2. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, huwag kayong gagawa ng anything kapag pagod kayo or bagong gising sa kalagitnaan ng tulog kasi hindi mo talaga magagawa ng maayos yung trabaho mo. Ang nangyari kahapon after ko magpahinga, may sakit kasi ako. Pumunta kami ni Jazz sa Walter Mart Makati sa Mr. DIY. Initially kasi dapat sa Wilcon Depot katabi ng San Lorenzo Place. Binuko siya sa Grab pero mali no address. Hindi ko naman binok ng Wilcon IT Hub. Ang binok ko Wilcon Depot. Pero yun, nung address mali. Punta kami sa Wilcon IT Hub, which is katabi lang ng Walter Mart. I opted na lang to go to Mr. DIY kasi alam ko naman na meron mga faucet doon, gano'n. Tsaka, favorite shop to ni Jazz. Ayan. Okay, so magsa-start tayo dito sa product. Ito yung Philips AWP 303. Yan. So, water filter device. Para hindi ka na bibili ng tubig every 2 weeks na tig 35 to 75 pesos. Depende kung if you take purified water or alkaline water. Purified water sa Aquabest is 35 pesos. Yan. So this is the device. This is where the filter cartridge is. This is what you push if you would like to use the unfiltered or the filtered water. If you want to change the cartridge, just open this up, twist, then oops, ginamit ko na kasi kanina, tinry ko na. So ito, with the package, it already has a filter. So yan, with the box, the initial box, meron na siyang filter, naka-plastic to, tinanggal ko na kanina. You just have to put this back. This is what you connect to the faucet. This is the timer. This would provide you information on when you started using the device, how many people are using. So one dot means one person, 2 dots means 2 persons, 3 dots means 3 person, tapos the numbers are the month when you open it. So I put it to 10 under dapat 2. Well, anyway, dyan ako naguluhan. Let's go ahead and check the faucet. So this is the faucet. Please bear with us. Please bear with me kasi makalat pa siya. Meron akong dalawang hugasan. Ayan. Sabi ko dun sa initial video ko the other day, kailangan kong magpalit ng faucet kasi hindi siya kasya. Mali pala ako. Sabi sa akin sa Mr. DIY, natatanggal pala tong nozzle. So, let's go ahead and do that. Just twist it. See? Dumi, diba? Ilang taon kaya itong hindi pinalitan? Kasi pinapalitan to eh. Ayan. Then choose the one that best fit. Choose the best adapter that best fit the nozzle of the faucet. What we need to do is to look for it. one fits the best. Grabe, wala akong lakas. Why is it not screwing? Uh-oh. Just... Or is this the one that I used? Or is this the one that I used? Is this the one that I used? No, it's not. This is the one that I used. Ah, hindi pala. Ito pala. So this is the, what do you call this? The mini wrench that would help you tighten the nozzle. Ano to? This is B-type. B-type. Lagyan mo lang dyan. Tapos, you screw. Make sure that it's very tight. There. Okay, that's tight. Very tight. So how do we put this inside? How do we, hindi pala inside, how do we snap this in place to this adapter? So you just twist. Then, right there. So it's just, it snaps back. If you want to remove it, you twist again. Yeah, it's removed. So twist. Make sure that it's snug and tight. There. You're going to push this. Okay. Ito pala. You have to try it out. Make sure, if it goes here, it means that if it's using the shower type nozzle, it means that it's an unfiltered water. So you press this here, it goes to the filtered water. If this is the first time that you're going to use this, you have to run it for 3 minutes before you can drink from it. If this device hasn't been used for 2 to 3 days, you have to run this for 20 minutes. So let's wait for 3 minutes. And while we're doing so, I just would like to let you know that the first time that I did this, black nung lumabas. Black nung lumabas dito. Pero it just took like 10 seconds to have the black removed, to be clear na. Yan. For changing, if 2 people are using it, you should change the filter within 2 to 3 months. 1 person, 5 to 6 months. If 3 person, 1 to 2 months. Okay. Ayun guys. Let's try the water. Yung tubig dito, I spoke with people. Na who drinks tap water here sa lugar namin. Sabi nila, it doesn't taste like anything. Tapos, when I talked to my mom, she said na, ano daw, lasa kalawang. Most probably because of the pipes, the metal pipes that the water runs through. So, let's try it out. So, this is going to be a short video. Wala siyang lasa actually. Walang metallic taste or anything. Pero mas okay siya actually. Wala siyang lasa. Okay siya. Sana hindi sumakit yung tiyan namin dito kasi medyo sensitive nung stomach namin. Pero okay. Okay yung food. Ay, okay yung water. Grabe nung sakit ko. Taas ng fever ko. Ayan. We'll wait for like 15 days. I'll update you guys if sumakit ng tiyan namin ni Jazz or whatever. You will know naman kung sumakit, kung lagi kami nagpupuplek. Kasi kami sanay kami magpup once a day. Pag maging watery nung pag magkaroon kami ng diarrhea or whatever, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, it's a good way for you to drink water. It's not very expensive. Kami nga, as what I said, nung 1 5-gallon water namin, it finished, we can finish it for within 1 to 2 weeks. So maybe mga around 7 to 10 days ubos na kami sa tubig. Parang nung water bottle, nung gallon of water namin yun, nasa 1/3 na lang. Kakabili lang namin nung Sunday. Ilang araw na yun? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5 days. Nasa 1/3 na lang ng tubig namin. Gano'n kami kalakas magtubig ni Jazz. Ayun. Well guys, sorry kung mukha akong may sakit. Kasi may sakit talaga ako. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!